Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Realme phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to enable power button to end calls. Friends, you want to enable power button to end call settings. So how to enable power button to end call. Today friends I will show you in this video. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, open your phone setting to enable power button to end calls. After phone setting, friends, scroll it. Friends, click on additional setting guys. After guys additional setting, friends, you can see this type of interface. Friends, you want to change your phone language. So friends, you can change language, you can add language from here. Second option, friends, date and time setting. Friends, you want to change date and time on your Realme phone device. So friends, you can change your phone date and time from here guys. Friends, click on accessibility setting. After accessibility guys, you can see your talkback. Friends, you want to use talkback, you can on and use talkback from here. Friends, magnification setting is here. Color correction, friends, you can on from here. High contrast text, friends, you can on. Friends, color inversion, you want tone, you can on and use color inversion. So friends, mono audio setting is here. Switch HS accessibility menu. Then friends, you will find here press power button to end call. Friends, you want to enable, you can enable from here. After enable, you can cut your call to press your power button. So friends, you want to cut call, so you can cut call to your power button. So like that you can enable power button to end call setting and you can use. And friends, you can use also guys, you can enable your power button to end calls without go to your additional setting guys. Direct friends to search here power setting. Friends, you can see power button to end call, friends, tap here. Direct friends, you can enable this setting and you can disable. So like the guy we can use power button to end call setting on Realme phone. So bye bye guys, thanks for watching.